let's talk a little bit about the history of paella. Paella dates back to during the Roman Empire. Rice, then, as it is today, was grown in the region that we know today as Valencia, in the Mediterranean coast. Farmers at lunchtime would boil a pot of water and they would throw what they had readily available, which was rice. Then they would add whatever they had around, whether it was chicken, rabbit, vegetables, seafood, shellfish. So, not two people today make paella the same way. The typical Valencia paella actually has mostly just green beans and rice. But most Spaniards will make paella with a mixture of seafood, chicken, sausage, fish, and sometimes meat. The paella that we're going to learn how to make today will not have meat, but it will have sausage, shellfish, and chicken. Let's get started.